Okay, we've made it to the final step of my 12 steps to success online, and this one is where you get to have some real fun with your business. During these 12 steps training videos, I've covered all the key elements to success online, including the odd secret as well. And the most important part about this 12th step is that you absolutely should not do this part of the process until you've worked through the first 11 steps. Without the foundations in place that comes from the first 11 steps, this 12th step will only exaggerate any issues in your business. So the 12th step to success online is simply to scale it. Hey, Andrew Woodward here, and on this channel we focus on the best online marketing strategies that grow your wealth, build a long-term business and allow you to work from anywhere using nothing more than your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. So in this video I'm going to describe some of the ways that you can scale your business and the things to look out for before going all in. Now, as I said, if you try to scale your business before you've completed the first 11 steps, this step has the potential to derail your growth plans. So if you haven't watched the first 11 steps videos, make sure you click on the link up there to get up to speed. Okay, so let's get into what you can do to scale your business. Once you have a proven offer and the mechanics in place, you want to ramp up your marketing to scale your results, to make the big numbers. Now, the obvious way to scale is to spend money on ads, which could include Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, or any other form of paid advertising that you might consider for your business. The key to any form of paid advertising is to monitor your results and your costs. There are a whole bunch of terms you'll need to learn depending on what platform you choose. The most common include cost per click, cost per lead, and return on investment. There are more, however, these are the main ones, each with slight variations depending on the platform that you choose. Now, cost per click is exactly what it says. It's the cost to you for each click your ad receives. This is the first level of your ad spend. The aim of your ad is to get people to click to your offer. So you want to know how much it's costing to get each click. Now, this is a relatively simple calculation which you won't have to do yourself since all of the platforms will provide you the data. However, just for completeness, it's your total ad spend divided by the number of clicks your ad receives. Now, cost per click is helpful information, but it needs to come with a warning. Clicks do not on their own represent money, so we need to go a little deeper with our analysis. Now, over the years I've found cost per click a nice metric to know and compare to industry averages, so it has a purpose in your analysis. The next metric to measure is cost per lead. This is the next level of detail and provides more valuable information about your leads. This measures the cost to get your new lead to take the action that you wanted them to on your landing page. In most cases, your ad will send your leads to a landing page where you want to capture their email address in return for giving them something for free. The cost per lead will tell you how much you need to spend to get a new lead on your email list. Now, at this point, your lead still may not have bought anything from you, so the scale process is still just beginning. As you know from earlier steps, the key to success with affiliate marketing is growing your email list. The percentages tell us that the vast majority of people who look at your offer won't buy the first time. So having them on your email list enables you to follow up with your email sequences to make sales down the track. That's another key to scaling your business, having offers for your email list. The final metric you want to measure is the return on investment, which is where the real magic happens. A positive return on investment means that for every dollar you spend on an ad, you're making more back in sales dollars. Once you're able to achieve an ad that produces a positive return on investment, which is measured by dividing your total ad spend by the total income earned from the ad, you know you have a winning ad that you can gradually scale. Another of the key aspects of scaling an ad is that you want to do it gradually. If you were to go from spending, say, $10 per day on an ad that's working and increase it to 100 overnight, there is a real risk that you won't get 10 times the results you were getting. You need to give the algorithm time to scale and work to find more of the people that you were getting when you were spending $10 per day. The general rule of thumb is to add no more than 20% to your spend per day as you ramp up. And when you're scaling your business, it's important to watch your metrics very closely. These metrics can change regularly, so keep an eye on them and make any changes if you see your campaign is starting to perform less than optimally. It may be you need to make changes to your headline or the targeting you're using for geography or demographics. It could even be the call to action button. The more you're spending, the more you will need to make subtle changes to see what helps improve the results. Scaling your business is the most awesome part of your business. It's so much fun to see the returns coming in from your ads. It's almost like having a license to print money, but I don't want to give you the impression it's easy. There is work involved, but it's worth the effort, right? Okay, I hope today's video was helpful for you and showed you how to scale your business once you've nailed down the foundation steps of your business, which we covered in the first 11 steps. These 12 steps are a result of everything I've learned from building my online business over the last 6 years, and I truly believe that if you spend the time to master these steps, you too will have great success. Now, if you're looking to get started in affiliate marketing and you want some personal support, you get set up for success, to nail the 12 steps and be on your way to the online income that you want, then join my Inner Circle program where you can get one-on-one support over 6 weeks. A whole bunch of resources and tools that are proven to work and be earning an online income within 30 days. Click the link in the description to schedule a free call with me and we can work on a plan to get you moving toward your goals quickly and effectively. Thanks for watching today's training and these 12 steps. Don't forget to schedule a time with me, click the link in the description and let's have a chat. And to continue to get these free training videos, make sure you click on the subscribe button and the little bell to get notified when a new training is released. It's the simplest way to ensure that you don't miss any of the good stuff and you get access to everything that I'm doing or using to grow my business so you can grow yours. And do me a favour, click the like button, leave me a comment below, let me know what you thought of this training. I'll read all the comments and reply to each one. And don't forget to get access to the free affiliate marketing training that I recommend. Click the links in the description and let's get you building your business from today. And if you want to get on a discovery call with me, you can click the link in the description to book a time in my calendar and we can have a chat about your business.